Majority of us organizations, we are coming to the very end of the year, and therefore we are looking at how the strategies that we had in 2022 have worked and where they require a lot of improvement and where they have not done and they have not worked. So as you do this, even as an organization or as an individual, there are some aspects that you require to look at in terms of a business plan, either on a personal level or as a company. Of course, we say a business plan is a document that describes your business, your services that you sell, the customers you want to target, and it also gives an indication of the business structure. So your services, the structure, and the customers you want to target. Why do you require a business plan? The first reason why you require a business plan is that those companies and individuals that review their business plans regularly are able to achieve 30% of their endeavors, 30% of their businesses. So if you keep reviewing your business plan, and if you have one, you have 30% chances of reaching your target. The second benefit of a business plan on a personal level is that lenders and investors want to see it. Especially most of the banks will ask for it. So you require one. It could be a one-pager, it could be 10 pages. I know currently I'm helping a restaurant chain and also an academy to be able to develop one 3-year business plan. So you need, the investors will ask for it, your bankers will ask for it. Third reason why you require a business plan is that it reduces risk. You know where you are going, you know what you are doing. And if this is your first time on this particular channel, hit the subscription button so that you can always be getting anytime you post, and also the bell for notification. So it reduces risk as a business. Fourth reason why you require a business plan is because you are able to navigate the future. Now, what are the elements, the key elements of a business plan? The first one is the executive summary. Of course, you develop the executive summary at the very, very end. The executive summary composes of your target market. It describes, it is a 1 or 2 page highlights of the detailed plan. It also has what you call the problem statement, the overview of the management structure, the financials, and you also include a brief documentation of the team you are going to use. So that is the first thing that when you open a business plan, you are going to come across, the executive summary, 1 to 2 pages of the overall summary of the plan. The second step, or the second portion of the business plan, is your product and services. This is where you describe, of course, even your competitors, what is your competitive advantage, and of course, what are the milestones and the metrics. So what are your products and services? What are the milestones and the metrics? At what point are you going to say that you have achieved your target? The third component of a business plan is your market analysis. This involves your target market. Who is your target market? Who is who is your competitors? You need to do a competitor analysis in terms of the industry you are in. What is the growth? Who are your preferred or potential clients? So you need to give us the statistics on that. The fourth component of a robust business plan is the marketing and sales plan. How are you going to reach your target market, your target segments? How are you going to sell to them? What is going to be your pricing plan? That is still part of the market and sales plan. And what will be the logistics plan, especially for businesses that deal with products? How are you going to ensure this particular product gets into the stores, Amazon.com, in the supermarkets? So you require a logistics plan in this particular business section of the business plan. That is a market and sales plan. The second last component of a business plan is the company organization and the management structure. The company organization and the management structure. We want to know who is in your current team. We want to know who you are going to hire. What are their bios and their experiences, the people in the current team. We want to know what is the legal structure of your business, the organo chart, the organogram. We want to know where you are located, what is your history. This is all part of the company organization and the management structure. Lastly, the last component is the financial projection. In a new business, you require to show us your sales and revenue projection for the next 12 months. You need to show us, for example, 3 to 5 year plan of your projections financially, sales and revenue. You need to show us your P&L. That is your income statement that tells us where you are going to be getting your money from. You need to show us your cash flow. How liquid is this business going to be? If it's an existing going concern, we want to see how liquid you are. How quickly can you convert your assets into cash? You also need to show us your balance sheet. The balance sheet shows how healthy, financial health of that business. 3 key financial statements: your sales and revenue projection, your P&L or the income statement that tells us where your money is, your cash flow statement that tells us you can